physical world, I told you what to study and what not to study. Okay, only basically about the 4 types of forces: gravitational, electromagnetic, strong nuclear force, and weak nuclear force. We have discussed only about 4 forces, and we have to compare the 4 different forces. Okay, the table is available in your textbook, and all the notes are available in your textbook. I have also given you some notes that is sufficient for your exam, for your entrance, for your board, or whatever. Entrance with the physical world is not included. Okay, so after completion of physical world and acha aru eta kotha Bohnima deka teok homework khini kori pathaise, so very good. So I think baki students bilake attempt koriba pathaise aru bhalke korise. So etiar pora jodi tumaloke constantly lagi thaka, then obviously your results will be good and you will be able to bring some good result in your entrance also. So keep on fighting. Okay, during this pandemic we have to fight. So now we will begin our next chapter, that is units and measurement. Okay, that is units and measurement. So chapter 2, and what is there in chapter 2? So in chapter 2 we have to discuss about units and measurements. Units and measurements. So this chapter, this is not directly related to physics. Okay, I told you guys, this is not directly related to physics. Here we have to study about various measurements, because if we want to study in physics, then we have to measure length, we have to measure mass, we have to measure distance, we have to measure displacement. Okay, so if someone tells you, suppose what is the dimension of this board, or suppose say what is the length of this pen. So if I do not mention, suppose मैंने बोला कि ये पेन का length is 6. Now what is 6? It is 6 centimeter, 6 inch, or whatever. You will not be able to understand. Okay, with respect to if we do not mention any types of meter or inch. Okay, you have suppose purchased something, suppose that is weight is equal to half kilo. So but if I do not mention half, if I do not mention the kilo, then how will be able to understand? Suppose मैं बाजार बोलूँ मैं half kilo, suppose मैं chicken किनी आनी तो तेरे जैसे मुख खुदे को भाई किमान किनी ला तो मैं इसमें कहूँ half kilo or what? Okay, so it will create some problem. So এই जो पिछले जो अभी mention करिसु, number और पिछले जो अभी mention करिसु, that is known as the unit, and that is required for various measurement. For example, suppose length of a suppose table is equal to your, say, length of a table is suppose you are equal to 50 centimeter. So it can be written in the format as 500 millimeter also. So millimeter, centimeter, kg, gram, then your the time. What is suppose मैं यार परा तालुके बोलूँ तो मोर किमान time लगे. तो suppose मैं बोलूँ से 5. तो जल्दी तो 5 minute or 5 second. ठीक है से. But that is also we have to specify. So that term, the minute or that second, that is known as the unit. Okay, so without unit we cannot describe a physical quantity completely. Now the question is, what do you mean by the term called physical quantity? Okay, so physical quantity means the substances that can be measured. Okay, जिबिलाक substance हमें measure करिबो पारो, এই বিলাককে আমি কি বলি কও, physical quantity বলি कও. Okay, जिस substance को हम लोग measure कर सकते हैं ना, उसको ही हम लोग physical quantity कहते हैं. For example, suppose smell of a perfume. So if you suppose you went to the market and you have asked the shopkeeper to give a perfume. Okay, then if you ask him that if someone asks you what is the smell of the perfume, he will say either bad or good, or the perfume is somehow moderately good. Okay, so there is no scale to measure the smell of a perfume. The smell of a perfume or smell of any food, or the smell, love, hate, feelings, these things, they cannot be measured. So the substances that cannot be measured are not physical quantity, but the substances. For example, time, we can measure time, we can measure mass, we can measure weight. These things they will fall in this one, in physical quantity. Okay, so to express the physical quantity, what I say, suppose what is the length? Length is suppose say 5 meter. So to express a physical quantity, we need two things. 5 is the number and meter is the unit. So to describe a physical quantity, we need two things basically. One is the number itself and another one is the unit. Okay. So gradually you will be able to know that to describe some physical quantity, we need the direction also. Suppose you are traveling 5 meter east, you have applied a force 5 Newton in the downward direction. You have applied a force 5 Newton in the upward direction. Okay. So these things we can measure now, but we can measure these things also, and we have to specify the direction also. So some physical quantities are there which has only the value, that is the number and the unit, but some physical quantity they have the number, unit to chahiye to express physical quantity, but one more thing we have to provide. Ami aro ta thing bostu dibo lagibo, eite hoise direction. Eta force, eta bostur upor ami force apply korisu. Jodi moi direction to nopom tenehole tomake keneke gom paba je force to kuntu direction ami apply korisu. So to specify force 5 Newton say, we have to mention the direction. Wind is blowing. Now the question is, in which direction wind is blowing? Suppose the speed of wind is 30 km per hour. So 30 km per hour in which direction? North, south, east, west, northeast, southwest, okay, or 30 degree east of north. What is the direction? So these things we have to discuss gradually in physics. Okay, that is why before starting physics, the tools that we require to discuss in physics, that are required in physics, we have to first discuss. So one such tool or one such branch is units and measurement. Here the various units. Okay, suppose you want to convert, suppose what is the size of a molecule. So suppose size of the molecule is in the order of nanometer. Now the question is, what is nanometer in terms of meter? Okay, so various things will come in our this chapter. Okay, so this is a little introduction about this chapter. So now we will proceed. So when we will go along with this chapter, you will be able to understand. One more thing, that is how we can calculate, how we calculated, or how the scientists calculated the distance between the sun and the earth. Okay, kunatu yar pora measuring scale loi joa nai je amar yar pora sun leke distance to kiman hobo, but scientists they calculated. How they calculated? Obviously there is some method, and what is that method? Then we have to study what is the radius of the diameter of the earth. The earth or the diameter to calculate korise তেতিয়া এনেকুৱা হৈছে নেকি যে কোনোবা এটা মেজাৰিং স্কেল লৈছে আৰ্টৰ এইটো মূৰৰ পৰা এইটো মূৰলৈ, ন এনেকুৱাটো হোৱা নাই. So there are some method how to describe how to measure the size of the earth. We know the size of a molecule also. For example, what is the size of hydrogen molecule? This is equal to 0.53 angstrom. Now what is angstrom? Angstrom is 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So amar logot kiba enuka scale ase neki jitu scale dia ami 10 to the power minus 10, 10 to the power minus 15, kitna chota ये small values we can measure. ऐसा तो हम लोगों के पास कोई scale नहीं है, तो obviously there are some method. Okay, now most importantly in this chapter, one thing that is about dimension we have to discuss. What is dimension? ये मैं बाद में तुम लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगा. ठीक है. One thing, another important and most important for your exam is the error. Now what do you mean by the term called error? Error means when we take the measurement of some values. Okay, sorry, when we take the measurement of some physical quantity, तो हम लोग तो mistake करता ही है. ठीक है, हम लोगों से वो mistake होता ही है. Now the question is, what is that mistake, or what is the difference between actual value and our measured value? That is known as error. Error can be of different types. So here we have to discuss about error also, and error is a sum or difference. All these things will be there in this chapter. So that is, this chapter is not related to physics, no gravity, no force, nothing is there, only calculation. Okay, so first units. So what is the necessity of unit, or what is the unit? So first देखो यहाँ पे first thing is the physical quantity. हम लोग शुरू करेंगे from the term called physical quantity. Okay, so physical quantity. So what is the physical quantity? Physical quantity means quantities that can be measured. Quantities that can be measured are called quantities that can be measured are called physical quantities. Okay, so if I represent suppose say physical quantity, okay, so one physical quantity is say suppose mass, and what is the mass of an object? Say 5 kg. So what is the quantity here? Quantity here we are measuring is the mass. What is 5? 5 is the number. Okay, and what is kg? Kg is the unit here. Okay, we can specify this one. Suppose if I write 5 kg in terms of gram, then it will be 5000 gram. Then your number will be 5000, but unit is gram now. Acha, you think is there any difference between 5 kg and 5000 gram? No. But when we have changed the unit, from kg to gram, then there is a change in the number also. The number has changed to 5000 gram, but whether the quantity has changed? No. If I say that I have purchased 5 kg of rice, and if you say that you have purchased 5000 gram of rice, both are the same. But the thing is, when the unit we will change the unit, then the number will also change. So quantity, this one is Q, and this number is suppose say N1, and this unit is suppose U1 5000. The number here is N2 and unit is U2. Okay, because we are taking different units. So a physical quantity Q will be equal to N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. Okay, overall what we can write physical quantity is nothing but number multiplied by the unit. Okay, you have to mention the unit, otherwise the details of physical quantity will not be completed. Okay, so this is about physical quantity. Later on we will study that physical quantity are of two types. One is scalar, another one is vector. ये बात में आएगा. Now what are the different types of units? So units are basically of two types. After that, what are the different types of units? So units are of two types. Okay, you can say they are number one fundamental units. Units are of two types. Number one is fundamental unit and number two is derived unit. You can also say quantity, scalar and vector वो बाद में आएगा, but it is also of two types, fundamental quantity and derived quantity. Now the thing is, what are the fundamental units? So there are 7 fundamental units, remember. So first I will write here quantity, okay, and here the unit. So how many fundamental units are there? Fundamental units matlab units that are independent of one another, that is, which does not depend on any other factor. For example, if I say a quantity mass, then what is the unit of mass? Unit of mass is kg, and there are different types of unit. में क्या क्या आएगा? MKS system of unit, CGS system of unit, SI system of unit, that you already got. Okay. So what is the SI unit of mass? SI unit मतलब international system of unit, that is internationally acceptable. Okay. For example, suppose if you say what is the unit of mass in suppose in America, it is a pound. Okay. So what is here? If we purchase a cake, we will say half kg, and if we say there is half pound, so kg and pound both are different, ना? So ये units में क्या हो जाएगा? Confusion हो जाएगा. इसीलिए साइंटिस्ट ने मिलकर एक यूनियन बनाया और उस यूनियन ने डिसाइड किया SI सिस्टम